Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. Starting now with news, the rally is over. The big rally after the QE Infinity announcement last Thursday seems to have ended. US stocks closed down 0.3% overnight, and they're off their 5-year highs, as you'd expect at some point that was due to end. However, there's a couple of things that have caused this fall. European divisions over a banking union in a key meeting of finance ministers has unnerved some people. They couldn't agree on a timetable, and they're also divided over the role of the European Central Bank in bailouts. They also can't agree on the terms of these bailouts. Meanwhile, also, the Federal Reserve Bank of New York has released its manufacturing index, what they call the Empire State Index, which covers New York, parts of New Jersey and Connecticut, showing a reading of minus 10.41 in September. Now, that's the lowest since April 2009 and down sharply from 5.85 in August. Meanwhile, Chinese stocks have slumped, and there are widespread protests inside China against Japanese-owned firms. This is after the government has stirred up a lot of public anger over the ownership of some islands in the seas between Japan and China. Now, Japanese companies in China, Toyota, Honda, Panasonic, Canon and Mazda, have all announced factory closures. They're very worried about what's going to happen to their operations in China. Now, this is a key relationship for New Zealanders to watch. Remember, over the last decade or so, there's been an enormous amount of Japanese investment in factories in China. A lot of the electronic goods that we all know and love are designed in Japan but manufactured in China. And there is a key link now between Japan and China and the rest of the world in a lot of these high-tech goods. And Japan is a big investor inside China. So if that relationship starts to break down, that could disrupt global trade. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9 from interest.co.nz.